Here's how to remove your Facebook info in a few seconds. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three-line profile menu icon in the top left corner. Next, expand Settings and Privacy down below. Then tap on Settings from the top. Inside Settings, tap on Privacy Checkup. You'll now see different privacy options. Find the section called Who Can See What You Share and tap on it. Then tap on Continue at the bottom. Now, Facebook will show different categories of profile information. For each section, change the visibility setting to Only Me, as Facebook does not allow you to completely remove the About information permanently. Make sure everything important is set to Only Me if you want your About info completely hidden from others. Once you're done, simply go back to your Facebook profile. And that's it.